Let's talk about something you snack on without thinking. Nuts. Some are great for your health. Others, not so much. If you're over 60, eating the wrong kind of nut regularly can increase your risk of heart issues, high blood pressure, or memory loss. But the right ones, they can protect your heart, boost your brain, and keep your digestion running smoothly. In this video, we'll show you the best nuts to eat and the worst ones to avoid. And stick around till the end, because nut number 1 on the avoid list has a hidden danger most people don't even know about. Best nuts to eat after 60. Let's start with the good ones. These are packed with nutrients that help you stay strong and healthy as you age. 1. Almonds, the bone strength nut. Almonds are excellent for keeping your bones strong. They're rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E. These help protect your bones, lower cholesterol, and support brain health. Just a small handful, about 15 to 20 almonds a day, is enough. Go for raw or dry roasted, without added salt. 2. Walnuts, the brain-boosting nut. Walnuts are amazing for brain health. They have omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that protect your memory and improve focus. Studies show walnuts can help slow down signs of cognitive decline. A handful, about 7 walnut halves a day, is all you need. And they even help you sleep better, thanks to their natural melatonin. 3. Pistachios, the blood pressure helper. These tiny nuts are big on potassium. That's important for keeping your blood pressure in check. Eating pistachios may reduce your blood pressure by a few points, naturally. They're also good for your eyes and gentle on your teeth. Aim for about 49 pistachios per day. Choose unsalted or lightly salted ones for the best effect. 4. Brazil nuts, the thyroid booster. Brazil nuts are super high in selenium. That helps your thyroid function well, giving you more energy and better metabolism. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day is plenty. They're strong, so don't overdo it. Nuts to avoid after 60. Now let's look at the other side. Some nuts may seem healthy but can actually hurt your health, especially if you're over 60. 1. Peanuts, the inflammatory one. Peanuts are not true nuts, they're legumes. They often carry mold toxins and can cause inflammation in the body. Too many peanuts can stress your joints and even affect your memory. 2. Cashews, the blood sugar spiker. Cashews taste great, but they're high in carbs. That means they can spike your blood sugar quickly. They also have compounds that may cause kidney stones. So, if you have blood sugar or kidney concerns, it's better to skip them. 3. Macadamia nuts, the calorie bomb. Macadamias are rich in fatty, which means tons of calories. They're high in saturated fats too, which can raise your cholesterol. If you're watching your weight, these may not be your friend. 4. Pine nuts, the medication messer. Pine nuts can interact with medications. That's risky if you're taking blood pressure pills, statins, or antidepressants. They can also cause pine nut syndrome, a weird bitter taste that can last for days. There you have it. 4 nuts to enjoy and 4 to avoid. Making smart snack choices doesn't have to be hard. With just a few changes, you can support your heart, brain, and energy. Which of these nuts do you eat the most? Have you noticed any changes since adding or cutting out certain ones? Drop your thought in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay healthy and take care.